A lawyer involved in several real estate deals at US. Special Counsel Robert Mueller is investigating in his criminal case against President Donald Trump's former campaign manager Paul Manafort has hired his own ethics advisor. Mark Garfinkel, a New Jersey ethics attorney, told Reuters that he has been retained by Bruce Baldinger, a long-time lawyer for Manafort also based in New Jersey, a legal consultant to advise him about attorney confidentiality and privilege issues that may arise in the case. He did not elaborate on the detail. Baldinger declined to comment, added Jason Maloney, a spokesman for Manafort. Prosecutors have alleged that two of Manafort's New York companies were part of a scheme to take tens of millions of dollars earned overseas and launder it in the United States, including through real estate investment. Baldinger signed biennial statements as the authorized person for those companies, attesting to the address at which the companies could be served with any court papers received by New York state authorities, according to copy reviewed by Reuters. The signed statements are necessary to keep the companies in good standing. According to Property Record, in 2016 Baldinger also signed two loans as special secretary for one of the New York companies, MC Brooklyn Holding LLC, for a total of $5,3 million against Brownstone in Brooklyn, some of which Mueller has alleged Manafort illegally earmarked for other purposes. Baldinger has not been accused of any wrongdoing and Reuters could not determine what, if any, interest Mueller has in him. If prosecutor determines that Baldinger's role in the deals was minimal and he was unaware of any purported fraud, then his legal exposure could be limited to being called a witness at any Manafort trial, legal expert SAID. The SAID, however, that if prosecutor believe he knew about any fraud or may have participated, then his legal risk could be much greater. Garfinkel SAID did not know whether or not Baldinger had also separately retained an attorney and added that it doesn't appear that he has any need to. Manafort has pleaded not guilty to charges in indictment in Washington and Alexandria, Virginia, which arose from Mueller's investigation into any links or coordination between the Russian government and people in Trump's 2016 election campaign. NL2N1T7-9L Manafort was a lobbyist for about a decade from 2004 for pro-Russian political leader in Ukraine and among the charges that he failed to register a foreign agent. Baldinger may be seeking guidance on the scope of attorney-client privilege applicable to the work he did for Manafort, with the real estate transaction potentially falling outside those protected bands. SAID Malaura Herker, a former prosecutor. Manafort would certainly want the lines of the privilege to be drawn as broadly as possible. SAID Herker, a lawyer with Friedman Kaplan Seller. Although the attorney-client relationship is generally protected, lawyers can testify against their client if the client were involved in ongoing fraud. Reporting by Sarah N. Lynch in Washington and Nathan Lane in Morristown, New Jersey. Editing by Grant McCool.